Hi everyone, it's Alex from Surfe, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Surfe to your CRM and sync your first contacts. Surfe integrates directly with 4 major CRM platforms. They are HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive and Copper. If you don't have access to one of those, users can connect Surfe to a Google account and use G Sheets as your CRM. Once connected, you're ready to start syncing your first contacts. One click and they're in your pipeline, ready to outreach. Let me show you how it's done. I'm currently looking at a prospect's business social profile in Surfe side panel. You'll notice some of the prospect's information has already been populated, like their name, role, and company. To initiate a sync to CRM, all I need to do is click this button here. Once the contact has been synced, Surfe side panel will update, and I can click to view their profile in my CRM. For Surfe App users, it's a very similar process. You'll start by finding the prospect you're looking for and click Sync to CRM to initiate. You can then enrich the prospect to find their contact details and add them to their existing record. One quick thing to note about CRMs, in HubSpot, contacts sync as contacts. But if you're using Salesforce or another CRM, you'll notice contacts are sometimes referred to as leads. Now this varies from CRM to CRM. It's not determined by Surfe, but they're talking about the same thing. Another important note, when syncing a contact to your CRM, Surfe lets you edit field mapping in both the side panel and Surfe App. This ensures all data is accurately transferred from Surfe to your CRM and gives you, the user, the power to amend what is synced between the 2 platforms. You can edit fields at any time. If you have a question about this process, reach out to our support team. Their email address is on screen now. And if you want to fast track your Surfe onboarding, our full playlist can be found here. Click this box to watch every video in the series. Thanks for watching and happy surfing.